It's me again. Today we're doing a mouth sounds video. I'm sorry if I'm only giving you like mouth sounds and kid sounds, but it's because these are my favorite triggers. So I thought I would start with this. I promise to give you guys a different variety of videos. I am currently having different ideas. I thought of maybe playing with chips for my casino. I have a poker set here at home. Maybe you guys will enjoy that. I have a couple of more ideas, but I want to keep them secret for now. That was just a little sneak peek. I'm still trying to figure out how to do the whole audio with video together. I'm not quite sure how to do it, but I promise that I will research it and hopefully find out soon how to do it all together so I can give you guys video sometimes. So, we're just gonna get right to the mouth sounds. So I stopped recording for a second and I put on some lip balm. Hopefully that'll make the sounds better. So I want to try something a little different. I just want to see if you guys like it. I would like to sing, but in a whispering voice, because I tried humming it and it doesn't sound very good. So I just want to sing a little to you guys and see if you guys like it. This is a song. It's a Korean song from this amazing singer called Junsu, and it's called. Actually, I'm singing in Korean, So I'm really sorry if you did not enjoy that. I just wanted to give it a little try to see if you guys liked it. And yeah, that's going to be it for the segment. So now maybe let's move on to something else. So I'm not going to be